How to add a GIF in Capcut on PC and Mac. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can add a GIF in Capcut on PC and Mac. So let's dive in. First you have to open your Chrome browser or any browser that you want to use, and then you have to search for GIF. And now you can just go to this jiffy.com and click it. I've already opened it over here. And now you just have to agree, and then you can just download any of these GIFs over here. Just click it and it's going to open and load it, and now you can just download this. Just right click on it and then click save image as and save it. Now once saved, you can go back and just go to your Chrome browser. I'm just going to open my browser over here. So now you can see this one is downloaded, and now I'm just going to scroll down, and here you can see I have some GIFs over here. So I'm going to go to the images section over here, and you can see I have this GIFs over here. Let's go with this one over here. And now you can just download these as well. I'm going to just open it, and then I'm going to just download it by right clicking and clicking save image as and downloading it into my PC. Once done, you have to open your Capcut app, click import, go to the desktop section, and here you have to just click and select these two and press enter, and here you have imported these GIFs, and that's how you add GIF to Capcut on PC and Mac. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.